Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Once it appears, type Settings into the search bar. This will bring up the Windows Settings application in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the Settings window. Once the Settings window opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a vertical navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This section controls all your application settings and preferences, including which programs handle specific file types and tasks on your computer. After clicking on Apps, you'll see several options appear on the right side of the window. From these options, locate and click on Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you choose which applications should handle different types of files and actions, such as opening web links, playing music, or viewing photos. Now, on the Default Apps page, you'll notice a search bar positioned under the heading that says Set Defaults for Applications. This search feature makes it quick and easy to find specific programs without scrolling through a long list. Click on this search bar and type Google Chrome. As you type, the system will filter and display matching applications. Once Google Chrome appears in the search results, click on it. This will open a dedicated page showing all the settings and capabilities related to Chrome on your system. On this page, you'll see an option that says Make Google Chrome your default browser. Right below this text, there's a button labeled Set Default. Click on this button, and Windows will immediately configure Chrome as your default browser. This means that from now on, whenever you click on a web link in an email, document, or any other application, it will automatically open in Google Chrome instead of any other browser you might have installed. And that's it. You've successfully set Google Chrome as your default browser, so all your web links will now open in Chrome by default. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.